Welcome to Chennai Press News Channel. Versuni India launches its new manufacturing facility in Chennai as part of a major expansion of its existing manufacturing operations in India, strengthening the company's local production capabilities across high-growth appliance categories.
Hello everyone, I am Gulbahar Torani, Managing Director and CEO of Versuni India. Today I am in Chennai and very excited because currently today we inaugurated the air fryer motor expansion facility in our Chennai plant. This is going to help us produce the air fryer motors in India. That's our another step forward in terms of making a Make in India program. So excited to share this news, and that's why I am here. Also, Chennai plant is something which is a jewel in our crown, which has motor expertise, injection molding, laser cutting of metal, and this is the hub of mixer grinders. So from my side, I am really excited, and congratulations to the team of Versuni for making this happen. And we are fully committed towards Make in India. We are here to ensure that we bring good products, quality and aesthetics put together for the consumers in India, as well as make it in India. We have a plant in Ahmedabad there where we produce air fryers, air purifiers, garment steamers. It is again a plant which is very close to the growth that is happening in India. These categories are growing, and that's where we are focusing on. How do we provide solutions to the consumers, and also look at where the demand is. So Ahmedabad is also another plant where we are looking at the categories which are in high demand. Future plans, see, the whole idea here is that we stay committed towards the purpose of solving problems of Indian consumers. That's the purpose that we have. In that at Versuni, our purpose is we help people turn houses into homes. And how do you help them? By taking away the chores that they have in their daily life, making it more convenient, also bringing in products like air purifiers and all, which helps you live a better life. So the whole idea is that we figure out these areas where consumers need help, we provide them solutions, and we do it in India. Thank you.